Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm just doing a little short one, seeing as this is going to be the end of the winter series. We are doing a summer, autumn and spring series as well. So that's all going to be jumbled up, so you'll be able to see like all the seasons around here. And so on the camera, like it's wet out here, so it probably looks like it's frosted, but it isn't, so that's good. And the most obvious sign of winter is these leaves have come off the hedge. So sunny. I suppose you can see like little stain out, and yeah. This is like just gonna be like 2-3 minutes, because I did a long one yesterday and it's still uploading, so you guys should be able to watch that hopefully to today. It'll be yesterday when this runs up, but it will be today it's uploaded, if you get what I mean. So yeah, also I have done a Volvo EW160E digger showcase, and also I am going to be doing another showcase, which is about 2 Lego City models I got. So hopefully that will go down good. And what else? Well, also we are going to be recording another Life of Tom, so you'll be able to see some of the series again, like some more of the series, which will be fun. So hopefully we'll be able to go next Christmas, hopefully do like, if we still have Tom, we might have another hamster by then, but we'll be doing, or another animal, and we'll probably be doing like recording like a Christmas like theme, like just a little video for that, like Christmas, which should be fun. So I think I'm going to end it there soon. So we will see you in the next video. Bye!